Hi everyone, Mike Sherry, and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Do I have a special treat for you today? I talk a lot about fifth wheels and travel trailers, towables in particular in these videos, but we also have a great selection of motorhomes, and I'm sitting in a brand new 2020 Forest River Georgetown. This is a Class A motorhome built on the Ford chassis and super affordable, super practical, and just an amazing vehicle if you're looking for a motorhome to travel the country in. This very well might be for you, so definitely keep watching this video. A little bit about who we are. We're an RV dealer located in Ohio. The purpose of these videos is to inform you what's new, what's cool, what's exciting out in the industry, and to also encourage you, if you are in the market for an RV, to give us an opportunity to earn your business. So we have customers from all across the United States and up into Canada, and some far out. Every now and then we'll sell one to another country. So check out who we are, and you can do that by going to Google, typing in Paul Sherry RV, and then seeing our website there, seeing our reviews on Google, just to learn a little bit about who we are, why customers are traveling hundreds of miles to do business with us. So back to this motorhome. I'm going to flip this camera around. We're going to jump around the outside, and then we're going to look at the inside, and we're going to show you what is so cool about this Forest River Georgetown. Okay, here we go. So the Forest River Georgetown really is a demanding motorhome. It has a demanding appeal and a demanding look to it. And it starts with the color package on the outside. This has what we call the partial paint. So what we're seeing here, the darker color, that's going to be painted front, and then it comes into the back as well. And then that is on top of colored fiberglass, and it really sets this coach apart. Looking at the front of the motorhome, it comes with a one-piece windshield. That glass wraps all the way around from one side to the other. There's no split in it. Really makes for a great view while going down the road. You know, a lot of people think, well, driving this big of a machine is going to be very, very difficult. There's going to be a lot of blind spots. But the way they design these motorhomes with the big windshields, with the side vision monitors and the rear vision monitors, your blind sides are nearly eliminated, and in some cases you can see more while traveling down the road than what you can see in a typical sedan, because you sit up high and you have all the extra cameras to help you navigate the roads. This motorhome comes with two slides, one on each side. The main slide is going to be right here on the non-door entry side. And of course, this motorhome is a self-contained motorhome. Comes with an Onan 5500 kilowatt generator. This is a 50 amp generator, so it'll be able to power both the air conditioners up there and power anything in this motorhome at the same time. So being an onboard power station on this motorhome, you can literally use anything, anywhere. So whether you're in the Walmart campground or in the middle of Yellowstone, you'll be able to use anything at any time. Again, this sits on the Ford chassis, which will come with a Ford V10 power plant. It's a tried and true power plant. I was just talking with someone yesterday. You know, ever since 1998, 1999, they've been using this power plant in these Ford motorhomes, and it's just been tried and true. And if bulletproof could ever be tied to an engine in a powertrain, it would be this Ford powertrain right here. The Forest River Georgetown, this is what they call a GT5. This is their 5 Series. It comes with a fiberglass front cap in the rear that's really going to hold this rear end of this trailer or this motorhome together very well. Also, it has the front cap as well, which most motorhomes will have that, but a lot of your cheaper and a lot of the competition will just use a normal wall back here. It won't be a fiberglass, so that's a nice feature to have. It does have the ladder to go up and do the roof maintenance. The roof on this is a little bit different than what the competition uses. It's not a rubber or a synthetic rubber. It's actually going to be a rolled fiberglass roof. The benefits of this over the rubber is if you happen to get in a wooded area where maybe a little tree branch is going to scrape your roof, and the rubber, you have a great chance of that tree branch actually ripping and puncturing the rubber, therefore having a good possibility of causing a leak that you might not know about. With the fiberglass roof, it's a lot more durable, and you're not going to get those punctures in it from that tree branch by driving underneath quite as easy. So here's your second slide out. That's going to be in the bed slide. Notice how deep it is. That's really going to open up that bedroom really nicely, and we'll show you that when we get inside. Storage in the basement here is what they call this, is really ample. So what I really like about the storage compartments in the Georgetown is they're all made of this rotocast plastic. And you can see the little drain holes down there. They do that for a reason. You can literally take a hose and hose out and clean out the storage compartment. So it's super durable. It's going to look and last for years and years to come. A lot of the competition will actually use wood back here, and that is just, we see them come in used. And the trouble with wood in a storage compartment is not only is it wood on the top, it's wood on the bottom, so all the water and stuff from the roads hitting that, and over time it's starting to rot, and it's just not made for a storage compartment. So that's a nice feature to have, the rotocast material in here, which is basically it's never going to deteriorate. It does have a power awning on it. It's the Solera power awning. Comes good distance along this side. I got another storage compartment opened up here for you. Inside here, I do want to show you this. So the tanks and everything are going to be heated on this, and they're actually encompassed behind this panel here. So you're going to be able to camp in this in cooler weather, no trouble at all. We did option this with the outside entertainment system, which is going to come with your television, radio control, and 2 outside speakers. We did also option this with a second battery. This is for the house battery, so it's got 2 batteries for the motorhome side and 1 battery to start the engine. 3 entry steps to come on inside this motorhome, and again, this is the 31L5. This is the 2020. The chassis is upfitted by MoreRide. What that means is the raw chassis that comes from Ford, MoreRide takes that raw chassis and makes a nice sturdy and solid and flat surface to build the motorhome on. That's very important. It's kind of the bones of the motorhome, and if you don't have a good foundation, you're not going to have a good motorhome. MoreRide has a great company that builds a great foundation for this Class A motorhome. Let's come on inside and take a look. We'll kind of pan around towards the rear, and then we will start up into the cockpit. Okay, looking at the cockpit, we have a couple things going on here. We have your power bed that comes down from the ceiling for extra sleeping up there. It's a great spot for maybe 2 smaller kiddos or 1 adult. So it comes down just with a push of a button. It's super quiet, and it's a nice feature to have. And that control for that is just right here. You do have some cabinet for storage behind that. And then coming into the driver and passenger area, both seats do swivel. They have the table in here in the middle. Great spot to maybe play cards in the evenings with the seats swiveled out. Do pay attention to how big the windows are and how good the view is, as I was mentioning outside. Coming into the controls, we have a couple controls off here that aren't driving related. This is your leveling jack system. So this camper is equipped with the LCI electronic leveling. This is an automatic leveling system. So when you get to your campground, you'll be able to turn this on, hit auto, and this motorhome is going to level itself with just a push of a button. It does have heated and power control mirrors, along with a jumper to start the engine. Turn on your LED fog lights and your normal lights up front here. Controls for the motorhome are just very similar to any control in any automobile. We have cruise control on the steering wheel here. We have your turn signal and your shifter control knob. Same with the dash. What is lit up on the dash here, you have your RPM, your miles per hour, temperature gauge, oil gauge, and fuel gauge. This is something new for the 2020s. They've added this really nice radio, nice big screen. It's Bluetooth ready, Sirius XM ready. Also has HDMI ports and can just about do anything. That also doubles as your backup monitor. In the past, the monitor was so small, it's nice having a nice big monitor for the backup and for the side cameras. So I just clicked the turn signal on left and we can see again what's in that left blind spot as I was telling you outside. Sorry for the glare there. That's just my camera. And then there is the right side. So without the door open or the slides out, you'll really be able to see what is going on beside you, particularly on the interstate. It does have a couple USB charging ports here, and your heating and air conditioner controls down there. On the passenger seat, we have some more charging ports, more USB charging ports. Have this nice device here. See if I can get it up with one hand. Yeah, it's a nice work table for the passenger, and a couple cup holders off to the side here. So that completes the driving compartment up front here. Now let's check out what's in the slide room. So this is really unique. From the couch over to the dinette, we've got quite a few changes that's recently transpired. First, it comes with the largest dinette in the industry. You can actually fit 3 people on each side of this dinette. And notice how the cushion wraps around to the side. So if you want to sit down and relax, put your back up against that cushion, you can do that on this table dinette. Now this is the Dream dinette, which is going to come with a mechanism that allows this table to drop down, and that'll create a flat surface where the cushions will fold across, and you can use that for extra sleeping. The couch in this is a reclining couch, as you can see here. All 4 sections of this couch do recline. The 2 end sections will also have a massage feature, a power recline, a light, and a heat feature on both sides there. Across from that couch, you have view of the entertainment system, which is going to come with a nice big flat screen television and also a sound bar. That's really important to have a sound bar because a lot of these televisions really don't put out an ample amount of sound, so it's coupled with that sound bar there. And below that, your 34-inch Furrion fireplace and space heater. Getting into the kitchen, we have all stainless steel appliances. This comes with the biggest dual mode refrigerator in the industry, built by Norcold. This is going to be an 18 cubic foot refrigerator. Freezer section up top here, and then refrigerator section down below here. This being a dual mode refrigerator, this is going to work while you're going down the road without that generator running by using propane gas. So that's going to save you in fuel. Furrion stainless steel microwave and a nice big stainless steel oven. It's got the big oven in it. It's a lot bigger than what we traditionally see in campers. And 3 burner top here. It does have the gas or the glass cover for the stove, so when you're not using that, you do have a little bit extra countertop space there. And then right back here we have a knife holder. The countertop in this is new for this year. It's going to be a nice thick, look at that, solid surface rock type material, which will come with this countertop extension here, as you can see, and then also the countertop covers for the sink. That's covering up our sink here, which is a sunk down stainless steel sink, which I am partial to. Makes for a nice clean look, allows for the sink covers to come on and fit very nicely being sunk down, and I truly prefer that myself. Really nice residential style faucet. And plenty of storage in the kitchen. Look, there's 4 drawers, a couple of doors underneath there, and some doors up top here for plenty of storage. I do want to mention this. This comes with the One Control touch panel. You can do everything on this control panel. Turn your lights on, adjust the temperature, put the slides in and out, turn your water heater on, start your generator up, everything right from this device here. And what's great about that, you can download the app on your phone and do it from your phone as well. So coming back to the master bedroom, we have a split bath, which a lot of people like. Gives you a bigger bathroom, and they were pretty good at engineering this. They took this door that opens up into the stool room, and it clips right into the wall there. And that opens up this bathroom area for a nice changing spot, because the door to the bedroom will close behind me. And now we have a nice big large changing area, which I'll show you once I turn around. Inside this room here is going to be your stool and a nice big countertop area with your sink. Again, sunk down sink in here as well. A big medicine cabinet here. A lot of storage in there. And some pretty attractive lighting in here. Also, you have a window. That's an openable window in a bathroom. We don't see that very much. And of course, it's got the shades for privacy. So coming around here, I'll show you this room I created. So we've got the door latched against the wall, the bedroom door shut, and you have this nice area to change. A lot of footprint here to change and get ready in the morning. So really is an ingenious design. The shower here comes with a fiberglass shower surround. And not only is it a surround, it's actually the entire shower is all one piece, which I like. Makes it easy to clean, less spots for mold to grow and build up. Also has the stool in here, good spot to sit down and shave your legs and things of that sort. All right, coming into the master bedroom, this unit does come equipped with 2 air conditioners, one up in the main living room, one back here in the bedroom. Both are ducted throughout the ceiling, so you can have the air conditioner on the front, and then have it blow the air cool back here while you're sleeping, which really makes it nice and quiet. All right, so we have a large bed back here, king size bed. And look at all this room at the foot of the bed here, probably 3 feet at the foot of the bed. That's as a result of that slide out, as I was telling you there. We do have this option with the bedroom television. Nice television for viewing. And a lot of big windows in the bedroom here. Have windows in the slide room for cross ventilation. Okay, that completes this walkthrough on this Forest River Georgetown. Now, for current pricing and availability, make sure you check out the links below or go directly to our website. I'll post links directly to these that we have in stock so you can see current pricing and availability. So thanks for watching. Everyone have an awesome rest of your day.